how to select your preferred currency here on CoinGecko. So the CoinGecko app, you can choose a currency that you want, so it won't be hard to compute or whatnot right here to compute. So all we need to do is open up our CoinGecko right here. So you won't have to go to Google and say how much is this, or maybe divide it, use your calculator, how much is that and whatnot, and you'll be able to calculate it for a very long time. So here on this video, I'll be giving you how to choose a currency that you want. So to choose a currency and that you want your preferred currency, all you need to do is open up the app right here. Once you open up the app right here, you will see your profile on the bottom right corner right there. Press on your profile in the bottom right corner. After pressing your profile on the bottom right corner, you'll be located right here, default currency. Click on manage. Now I'm going to choose the currency, let's say Philippines, so PHP. So right there, we're going to add it. So we can only add 2. So we're going to move the BTC, we're going to add the PHP. And then click on save currency. There you go, as you can see. Now we just need to go back. As you can see right now, it's on USD. So once we go right here, looking like that. Let's check. There you go. Now let's put it on USD PHP. It's loading a bit. So there. Now we're gonna check on the graph. So let's check. It's a little bit loading. Oh, there you go. As you can see right now, it's on PHP. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how I do it. I hope you guys like the video, enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always type it down in the comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible on here on Guide Glimpse. Thank you, guys.